Hi there. On my previous video on VLookup, I was showing you on how to pull the data based on IC number and name. So on this part of the video, I'm going to show you how to pull the data based on IC number and the rest of it. So in order to do that, I'm going to copy the IC number till department's title, copy, right click, paste transpose. So whenever you key in the IC number, name, birthplace, age, blood group, vehicle, plate, gender, and department comes up. Okay. So in order to do that, go to function, go to VLookup. Okay. So on your IC number, you will key in the IC data. Okay. On your name, so this is where your VLookup comes up. Okay. On your name, your VLookup value is N2. Your table must be from here to here. Your column index is name, that is number 2. Range lookup is 0. Okay. Once this is done, so as you know, if I change the last 4 digit to 45, I get SMIT. So that means this function is working. So once after done this, I'm going to copy formula from N3, which is the name, and drag until department. Okay, on this function, I'm going to show you. If you look at it, this is showing not available because of the formula that we use on the N4. Why? What is wrong with the formula? If you look at it, this formula, just because we are doing drag and drop, we will encounter problems on our result. So in order to drag or copy the formula from N3 to the rest of it, what you need to do is we need to lock some cell. So let's review the formula in N2. Formula in N2 says VLookup N2. So our N2 is the IC number. We will need to lock the IC number. The lock function in Excel is for you to hit F4. Before the value of N2, you need to enter a $sign in order to lock cell N2. The next is the data cell. We also need to lock the entire data cell by using the $sign, and followed by, we need to change on all our column to number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8. This indicates the column index of the particular cell that we are referencing to. Okay, so if it is name is number 2, birthplace number 3, age is number 4, blood type is number 5, vehicle plate is number 6, gender is number 7, department is number 8. So once you have complete these tasks, you will able to see from existing wrong formula, this is your new formula. VLookup $sign and $2, $sign A, $sign 1 till $sign H, $sign 23, and the column is based on the whichever column that we are selecting to pull the data. So now let's try to change someone else's IC number. This IC number belongs to Kelly, who is from Pahang, age 43, blood group B, drives a vehicle number plate of 2245, male, and in planning department. So if you look at it, this is what I meant. Okay, so let's give another example of Kumar, who is IC number ends at 63. I hope this exercise helped you on VLookup. Thank you.